There are two feed rollers in your planer, an infeed roller and an outfeed roller. The infeed roller is the first of the two. The rollers feed the stock through the planer and hold it firmly against the table, so you get a nice smooth finish. The roller is made of rubber on a steel shaft. Over time, the rubber will harden, reducing its ability to grip the wood, which will cause it to slip. The steel shaft is supported on either end by bushings. After years of use, the bushings will fail. Sometimes a failed bushing will also score the roller shaft. Replacing the infeed roller is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by disassembling the crank handle, the top cover, and the side covers. I'll remove the depth stop lever and remove the other cover. Now I'll remove the retainers that secure the bearing blocks to the infeed roller. Each retainer is secured with 2 screws. With the retainers removed, the infeed roller, the bearings, and the springs will all come free. Now I can install the new infeed roller. Now I can install the roller back into the planer. You'll notice the bearings have a long side and a short side. They install into the planer with the long side horizontal. With the roller in place, I'll compress the springs so I can install the retainers and screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the sides, the top cover, and the crank handle. And that's how you can install a new infeed roller on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.